Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, I will show you thickened mold flame for large size EPS mold. This mold is one that we export to South America. Its size has already exceeded 2 meters. Therefore, we need to use other methods to reinforce this mold. From the video, you can see that we used a thicker aluminum plate to support the mold cavities. In addition, without affecting the installation of the mold cavities, we also welded additional metal brackets to the mold frame. The ultimate goal is to strengthen this EPS mold and ultimately extend its service life. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.